Hawks, and I'm an artistic photographer. I've been doing photography for almost 20 years now, and I actually started out as a wildlife photographer, and I quickly learned that I don't have the patience for that. My photography progressed from wildlife photography when I realized I didn't have the patience for it. So I started really getting into fashion, and I had a lot of influence from the fashion magazines, and then I started putting creative spins on them with my dreams. I would have these really crazy, elaborate dreams, and I just kind of started putting them together. So, you know, making people, animals, putting couches in the ocean, putting things places where people don't expect them to be. You know, my favorite part of photography, I think, is I get to give people an opportunity to be someone that they wouldn't ever be in any other situation in life. Personal goals for my career, I think I would definitely love to photograph celebrities. My name is Amy Hawks, and I'm a raw artist.